If you did not receive a bill for an expense, and you just wrote a check on the spot, you can use the Write Checks form to record the check in QuickBooks. However, for regular bills, such as those from the utility company or from your suppliers, we highly recommend that you use the Enter Bills and Pay Bills forms. Using this functionality, even if you pay the bills by hand, ensures that you have a complete record of what was billed and paid out, and prevents you from making errors such as accidentally paying the same bill twice. This tutorial shows you how to pay bills after you've already entered them in QuickBooks. First, if the Pay Bills icon does not appear on your home page, let's customize it so you have easy access to this feature. Start by clicking the Customize QuickBooks link on the home page. In the Vendors section of the Preferences window, click on the Enter Bills and Pay Bills checkbox to display the Pay Bills icon on the home page. Then click OK. Let's say you want to pay all the bills for one vendor, Nolan Hardware and Supplies. Go to the Vendors section and click Pay Bills. The Pay Bills form shows the bills that are due. These bills are sorted by due date, but you can sort the list in other ways. For example, if you choose to sort the bills by vendor, QuickBooks sorts the unpaid bills in alphabetical order by vendor name. You have 2 unpaid bills from Nolan Hardware and Supplies. Select the bills by clicking in the checkbox to the left of the bill. The checkmark shows that you have selected the bill. If you don't want to pay the full amount, simply enter the amount you'd like to pay toward the bill and QuickBooks will change the total to match your payment. Click the highlighted number in the Amount to Pay column and type 90. Then press Tab on your keyboard. Click the highlighted number in the Amount to Pay column. As a result of your entry, QuickBooks has changed the payment total to $700. In this example, we'll pay by check and print the check out. Note that check has already been chosen in the Payment Method field. Click To be printed. QuickBooks displays today's date. If you want to pre- or post-date the check, simply click the calendar icon to choose a different date. When you are finished, click Pay Selected Bills to save the information and close the form. QuickBooks now displays a confirmation listing all the checks that have been created to pay the bills. QuickBooks saves you time and trouble with its check printing option. Load your personalized QuickBooks checks into your printer. Then, from the File menu, choose Print Forms and click Checks. If you write checks from more than one account, choose the account that you want to use and enter the starting check number. Select the checks that you want to print. Click OK. Choose the printing options. If you're not sure which option to choose, press F1 on your keyboard for help. Make sure that the correct check style has been selected. Click Print. If all your checks print correctly, click OK. That's it. You've successfully paid a bill in QuickBooks. When you pay a bill, QuickBooks does several things behind the scenes. The Accounts Payable account decreases by the amount of the payment. The balance of your checking account decreases by the amount of the payment. QuickBooks stamps all bills that are fully paid with a Paid watermark, and the vendor balance is updated to reflect the payment. To learn more about QuickBooks, go back to the Learning Center and select another tutorial from